Hello, my beautiful divas. It is Billy Joe, and we are talking all things glow drops today. I'm super excited about this. You guys have been waiting so long for these, and I know I have too. And I am just so excited to be the one to share it with you guys. So the packaging is to die for, to start with. Absolutely love it. I love the holographic going on. I think it's so sweet. It has our logo at the top, and then it says Gradual Glow Drops. That's in white, so it's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's essentially a self-tanner. It is one fluid ounce, 30 milliliters, if you will. The directions are so easy. You literally just add 1 to 12 drops to your moisturizer, mix together and apply to skin. Wash hands after application. Adding more drops will result in a deeper tan, and it can be applied daily to reach the tan that you want. Since they are a gradual tan, you're not going to become very dark the next day like self-tanner would per se. So this is going to give you a gradual glow and grow of a tan, which is, I think, super cool because let's say if you have something that you just want to be just like a little shade darker, you can use the glow drops and achieve that so easily. And if you want to go darker, you can do that as well. So this is a certified organic product, which I think is absolutely amazing because there's no harsh chemicals or anything like that going on inside of it. So on the back of the box, it's going to say that certified organic for you so that you know it is. The bottle itself is so cute. I absolutely love it. It's just amazing. It has the same logo basically as the box does, and it has that holographic on it, which is so sweet. The dropper is just like any old dropper, nothing fancy to it. Super cute. I love it. And then the liquid itself is going to be clear, and it's not going to have any fragrance to it, which I think is amazing because you don't have to worry about it making your lotion smell different or smell off or weird or anything like that. So I'm just going to basically start and show you guys how to do it. The lotion that I'm using is going to be the Viva La Juicy Couture lotion. Super easy, super simple, nothing fancy, you know. I'm going to be adding the 12 drops to mine because I want more of a glow, I guess you would say. I want a darker tan, basically. If you don't want a dark tan, then you can just as easily use, let's say 3 drops or 5 drops, and you just won't get as dark as a tan the next day, basically. So like I said, if it's an event that you have going on that you don't want to be too dark, but you want just a little subtle glow, I would go like 3 to 5 drops and call it at that. And you can see the next morning how you feel about it. I will say I do feel like this product, it's not going to be like as soon as you put it on, you notice an immediate difference. It's going to be kind of that like next day situation, which is kind of normal for all tanning all tanning type stuff. So this is how much lotion I'm going to use, and this will actually do both my arms. So I'm just going to add so I've got my 12 drops there, and I'm just going to start mixing it together in my hand like so. It does make your lotion just a tad thinner, so which is kind of expected because it is a liquid formula, and I'm simply just going to start rubbing it into my skin just like this. Nothing too fancy, nothing very technical. Just put on your lotion like regular. So I'm just gonna rub it all in. And the thing I like about it too, because it is a gradual tanner, let's say if I missed a spot, it won't be that noticeable the next day, which I totally appreciate. And it won't make me look weird. Like I said, I did add the 12 drops because I want a deeper tan, so I added all 12. However, if you don't want such a deep tan, you can just go ahead and add 3 to 5 drops, or you can even add 1 drop, depending on where you want to go with it. So definitely super easy to use, very user-friendly, cute as a button, and who doesn't want glowing skin? Okay, so snag them up because they will not be here for long. These are going to fly off the shelves, I can promise you, and I can't wait to see you try them.